Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to watch YouTube picture in picture on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. Sam provide how can easily set up. So simply open your settings, scroll down, click on to apps. Look at the right corner, tap on three dot, press on special access. Then you get picture in picture option. Make sure to turn on your YouTube. Okay, or if you want to use another, showing you to more apps, like turn on YouTube. Overall setup. Open my YouTube. Click on and press on to logo, then get open in pop-up view. Just tap on, then showing it to this. If you want to change size, get back, okay, increase or decrease size, and move anywhere. So that's it.